Don't invest in cryptocurrency. Lemip.com promises big returns. But is it a real opportunity or just another scam? We did the research so you don't have to. Let's find out. Lemip.com claims to offer cryptocurrency investment opportunities with high returns. The website presents itself as a platform where users can invest and earn bucks. Too good to be true. A quiet look at Lemip.com reveals a professional-looking website. However, many scam sites using similar tactics to appear legitimate. It is essential to check for transparency, such as clear information about the company, its team, and its operation. Lack of such details can be a red flag. Now, after that, if a platform's app has guaranteed high returns with little no risk, it's a significant warning sign. Legitimate investment comes with risk, and no one can guarantee profits. Such promises are often used to lure individuals into scam. In an article, one said that Lemip.com is pledged as a cryptocurrency scam. These sites engage in deceptive practices related to digital currencies, aiming to defraud unsuspecting individuals interested in cryptocurrency investments. Throughout the scheme, the perpetrators may contact you with specific files or suggesting installing cryptocurrency wallet application or browser extension. These offers are designed to entice you into voluntarily downloading malicious software onto your system. Now, what is Lemip.com? Is Lemip.com safe? Unfortunately, not likely. Pidginsoft anti-malware blocked the Lemip.com because it was classified as a cryptocurrency scam. This domain was registered 5 months ago throughout the company. Had the owner privacy services provide with help for privacy ESF. Now there is a Lemip crypto scam report, which is that the Lemip.com scheme is a fraudulent crypto trading platform with no legitimate trading functionality. It is a theft operation disguised as an investment opportunity. Its sole purpose is to steal users' Bitcoin through psychological manipulation and fabricated visual cues. This scheme begins with the professionally created deepfake videos that feature impersonated celebrities. These videos often stayed across major social media platforms, promote Lemip as a revolutionary investment opportunity or an exclusive giveaway. Now, what are the usual Lemip red flags? The crypto scams like Lemip display major warning signs even if they appear convincing at first glance. Because scams like these are often designed to fool large groups with minimal effort, they reuse tactics and structure. Recognizing these patterns can be the difference between safety and loss. Staying level-headed and aware is critical. Now, based on the available information, Lemip.com exhibits several characteristics commonly associated with cryptocurrency scam. These include unrealistic promises, transparency, and absence of regulation. While we cannot mean that investing, ensure you conduct thorough research and consult with financial experts. While Lemip.com may appear legitimate at your first glance, but the warning signs suggest otherwise. Always be cautious when dealing online investment platforms, especially those offering high returns with just little risk. Your financial security is paramount.